What's going on everyone, welcome back to Autoscope. Today we are diving into something truly next level, something that blends Scandinavian engineering, luxury living, and unstoppable road presence into one incredible machine. This is the all-new 2026 Volvo Camper Motorhome, and trust me, this is not just an RV, this is a rolling 5-star suite built on pure Volvo DNA. The 2026 Volvo Camper Motorhome is built on a heavy-duty Volvo commercial chassis, inspired by the legendary engineering of Volvo, a brand known worldwide for safety, durability, and innovation. From the moment you see it, you understand this is different. The front fascia carries that bold Volvo truck-inspired grille, sleek LED matrix headlights, and an aerodynamic body that looks more like a futuristic tour coach than a traditional camper. This motorhome is massive, but it doesn't look bulky. Volvo's signature design language gives it clean lines, sharp detailing, and a premium finish that stands out whether you're parked at a campsite or cruising down the highway. The 2026 model features improved aerodynamics, redesigned side panels, and integrated storage compartments that blend seamlessly into the body. Under the hood, this beast is powered by a turbocharged diesel engine engineered for long-distance performance and heavy load capability. Depending on the configuration, you're looking at a high torque output that makes mountain driving feel effortless. Paired with an advanced automatic transmission, the ride is smooth, controlled, and surprisingly quiet for a vehicle of this size. Volvo's advanced suspension system absorbs road imperfections, giving you a luxury bus-like experience behind the wheel. And of course, safety is where Volvo shines. The 2026 Camper Motorhome comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, collision mitigation braking, and advanced stability control. Driving a large motorhome can be intimidating, but Volvo's intelligent driver assistance systems make it feel manageable and confident. Now let's step inside, because this is where things get truly impressive. Open the door and you're greeted by a modern Scandinavian-inspired interior. Clean wood finishes, soft ambient lighting, premium leather seating, and smart space utilization make it feel like a high-end apartment on wheels. The cockpit is fully digital, featuring a large infotainment display, digital instrument cluster, navigation system, and smartphone connectivity. The driver and passenger seats are fully adjustable, heated, and ventilated. Swivel them around when parked, and suddenly your cabin transforms into part of the living space. The 2026 Volvo Camper is designed to maximize comfort without sacrificing style. Moving into the main living area, you'll find a spacious lounge with a convertible dinette, plush sofas, and panoramic windows that flood the interior with natural light. There's even an optional slide-out system that expands the interior width when parked, giving you more room to relax. The kitchen setup is fully equipped. We're talking induction cooktop, convection microwave, full-size refrigerator, deep stainless steel sink, and plenty of cabinet storage. High-quality countertops and soft close drawers add to the premium feel. Whether you're making a quick breakfast or cooking a full dinner on the road, this kitchen has everything you need. The sleeping area is equally impressive. At the rear, you'll find a queen or even king-size bed depending on the configuration. The mattress is designed for long-term comfort, not just weekend trips. Overhead storage, side wardrobes, and reading lights make it feel like a proper bedroom. Some variants even offer a drop-down bed above the lounge area for extra guests. And let's not forget the bathroom. The 2026 Volvo Camper Motorhome features a fully enclosed shower, modern vanity with sink, mirror storage, and a premium toilet system. Hot water is provided through an advanced heating system that ensures consistent performance no matter where you are. Technology is another highlight. The motorhome includes a smart control panel that allows you to manage lighting, water levels, battery status, and climate control from one central touchscreen. Solar panels on the roof help power onboard systems, while a high-capacity lithium battery bank ensures off-grid capability. There's also a powerful generator for extended trips. Climate control is fully automatic, with multi-zone air conditioning and heating systems that keep the interior comfortable in all seasons. Insulation has been upgraded for 2026, making it more energy efficient and quieter inside. Exterior features include a powered awning, outdoor lighting, exterior speakers, and large basement storage compartments for camping gear, bikes, and luggage. The side access panels are easy to operate, and the build quality feels solid and durable. Driving this motorhome feels surprisingly refined. Volvo's steering system is precise, visibility is excellent thanks to large mirrors and camera systems, and the cabin is well insulated from road noise. Long highway drives feel less tiring thanks to ergonomic seating and driver assistance features. Fuel efficiency, considering the size, is competitive within its class. Volvo's engine technology focuses on delivering torque efficiently while maintaining reliability. Maintenance intervals are designed for long-term ownership, which is great news for full-time travelers. The 2026 Volvo Camper Motorhome is not just about travel, it's about freedom. It's about waking up next to a lake, cooking breakfast with a mountain view, and driving to your next destination without packing and unpacking your life every time. It's built for adventurers, families, digital nomads, and anyone who wants luxury without boundaries. Pricing will vary depending on customization and layout options, but this is positioned in the premium motorhome segment. You're paying for Volvo engineering, top-tier safety, high-quality materials, and advanced technology. So if you're looking for a motorhome that combines heavy-duty reliability with modern luxury, the 2026 Volvo Camper Motorhome might just be one of the most impressive options on the market right now. Let us know in the comments what you think about this incredible machine. Would you take this on a cross-country adventure? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing automotive content right here on Autoscope. I'll see you in the next one.